Hi there, Happy New Year. So, this is the Ethereum session, the first one in 2025. And disclaimer goes first every time. This is for educational and research purpose only and not financial advice. Please always consult your local licensed professional in terms of making your financial decisions. So let's start with Ethereum daily chart. So here, last time we covered the yellow support line over here. We see a lot of, 6 over here and another roughly about 10. So it's like 16 candles in total to form this pretty strong support in the short term, I would say. And if you're a short-term trader, probably you are quite happy this week because the price went from around 3,300 back to where we're now at mid 3,600. In terms of daily time frame, it looks like it's trying to establish a horizontal trading zone. So if I draw a short-term horizontal trading zone here, remember I talked about the yellow support line just now. If we use this as the support line for the short-term trading zone, there may be some price actions around this box if nothing crazy or no big news coming out. So last time it happened kind of similar. We had this uptrend and then we had a sideways price action for, let me change this. So from here to here, it lasted for 143 days. That's almost 5 months. We are just starting out. So if I draw the box or move the box away from the uptrend and start from here, we are just starting out and only 24 days in. So there's still 120 days roughly compared to last time, if it really happens the same, but it very seldom happens exactly same. So we'll have to keep an eye on this one. That's the daily. In terms of volume, obviously it's coming or comparatively lower than what we had before, so it's coming down. Whether it's going to go up again, it depends on what news come out. As you know, crypto is still very much driven by news, so how people are going to speculate depends largely on that. In terms of weekly chart, if we look at the Wyckoff, let me shrink the height a little. I'll go to change the time interval for this one so it's not going to blocking next time after the session. So here it's similar to what we covered earlier, I think, in Solana. The price is still within the range between the automatic response and the buying climax or the upthrust. So we're still within this trading zone. Well, last time it happened kind of similar. From the upthrust downwards, there are always some rebound. Whether we'll get to a point we see the sign of weakness or when that will happen. Last time it took quite a long time from the upthrust. Let's see. It took roughly, I'll take the cross over here, 100 days around, give and take, because there are a couple of bars reaching this price range. So say roughly 100 days. We're still far from that. So there's still roughly 2 months left if it happens in a similar timeline. So around the early second quarter, maybe we'll see whether it will come down to the red line here. And in terms of monthly, this is the one that I mentioned earlier in the other sessions. the first red candlestick after the upthrust for monthly. So this wasn't a good sign for last time, actually the last 2 times. So the first time in 2018, it wasn't a full, I would say it's a shorter Wyckoff distribution cycle. So as soon as we reached the climax, we already came down. Last time in 2021-22, we had an upthrust. So the weekly chart is clearer. We had this blind climax, the second test, and then upthrust. The compressed candlesticks in the monthly. After the upthrust, this is November, that's when the upthrust happened. So I'll go back and let you take a look. So upthrust here, November 1st, and back to the monthly, November 1st here. So the first red candle bar after the upthrust, it did not recover until, it did not had a rebound until after 2 months. So 2 long red candle bars for 2 consecutive months after upthrust. So right now we are having a green one for the last 2-3 days. We're just starting out with this monthly candle. Again, if the tide has changed in the monthly time frame, meaning the big players, the big money are making their moves, we have to be very careful whenever in the weekly or daily time frame there is an upward breakout. That could be a fake bullish sign or like a bull trap. So be careful with those and manage your risk tighter. So that's the Ethereum scenario.